The patchxpress-7000A is a high-performance 16-channel automated parallel patch clamp system. The glass pipette of traditional patch clamping is replaced by a planar electrode array seal chip 16, manufactured by Aviva Biosciences. During experiments, a seal chip is automatically loaded into the filling station upside down for filling with intracellular solution. Up to 12 seal chips can be processed without user intervention. Approximately 10 microliters of intracellular solution is injected into each well of the seal chip. The seal chip is then rotated onto the 16 silver chloride probes connected to the patch clamp head stages. Once in place, the seal chip wells are simultaneously filled with extracellular solution. Wash probes extend into all 16 channels. Each probe consists of an inlet for extracellular solution perfusion and an aspirating outlet for removal of solutions. Cells are resuspended before addition. Typical cells used are HEK, CHO, RBL, and other standard tissue culture cells expressing ion channels. Cells are added to each well. At this point, positive pressure is applied through the hole to prevent electrode clogging. At just the right time, suction is applied and a single cell is positioned over the seal chip hole. An increase in resistance indicates that a cell has reached the hole. As suction is applied, the resistance increases until a gigaohm seal is formed. Increased negative pressure leads to the whole cell configuration. At this point, voltage steps are applied and continuous recording begins. Following a user-determined interval of baseline recording, a test compound is applied. In this example, a voltage-gated inward current is blocked by the test compound. Following washout, the peak current amplitude returns to its previous value. Following compound addition and washout, the tips are ejected and a new tip is picked up. The use of disposable tips eliminates the possibility of cross-contamination. In this example, the test compound does not block the voltage-gated inward current. Zooming into the ion channel level shows that ion flow continues because the test compound fails to block the pore or to bind to the channel and cause a conformational change that would reduce the conductance. Compounds are not applied to cells in which gigaseals are not obtained. This feature reduces compound wastage. Scope windows from a typical experiment are shown here. The 12 successful recordings are indicated by the white background. In this example, there were 3 hits, in which the test compounds reduced the inward current amplitudes. The other 9 test compounds failed to affect the inward currents. The patchxpress-7000A is ideal for ligand-gated ion channel assays. Continuous recording allows measurement of agonist-induced currents that rapidly desensitize during the critical moments before, during, and immediately after the compound addition. In this example, an agonist activates an inward current which desensitizes within a few seconds. After a variable interval, the agonist is rapidly washed out. This represents the baseline or control portion of the experiment. The membrane current is recorded continuously while the next compound is picked up. As another control, the test compound, or potential antagonist, is applied to the patch-clamped cell by itself. Finally, agonist plus antagonist are applied to the cell to determine the percent inhibition by the antagonist. In this example, the percent inhibition is approximately 75%. The patchxpress-7000A automated parallel patch clamp system allows measurement of both voltage and ligand-activated currents. It utilizes true full-time whole-cell patch clamp recordings. The patchxpress provides uninterrupted recording during compound addition and washout. The high success rate is afforded in part by the seal chips provided exclusively for patchxpress by Aviva Biosciences. Included with each patchxpress is an enterprise-level database for analysis and data management of thousands of data files per day. This program is called Data Express. Molecular Devices leads the field in expert technical support from experienced patch clampers. Molecular Devices is the choice of experience because we have sold and supported more than 7,000 patch clamp systems during the past 2 decades.